How to add face blue in CapCut PC. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add face blue effect to your video in CapCut. So now I add this video. Now I want to hide the face of this person in the video. All I have to now, after I add the video in the timeline, go to stickers. So under this stickers, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to find this effect, this blue effect. So you can click on this plus button, or you can drag the blue to your timeline. So you can do any one of them. So now here is the blue. So now I'll take this blue to the video like this. I'll make sure my play stick is in beginning of the video, this like this one. So now I'll just go ahead now and click on this edge of the video of the blue and take it back. So now I'll take this blue to the face of the person that I want to hide. So I want to hide the face of this person, this one. So now I'll make sure this blue is in the face. So after that, all you have to do now, go ahead now and click on this tracking. After you click on the tracking, go ahead and click on this motion tracking. So now it will give me this effect. So all you have to do now take this yellow icon. After you take this little tracking icon, to take it to the position where you add your blue and make sure it is in the center. So now here is tracking action. So now I'll make sure the tracking action is in the center of my blue. So all you have to do now, you can click on this start button. So if you click on the start button now, blue motion, now as you can see, it says apply motion tracking. So now it will go through all my video and paste. After analyzing the paste through audio, from there you play the video. The face of the person that you add the blue to it, it will be blued. It will not appear. So now let's wait it to finish and show you how it works. So it goes to 80% now, 90%, remain 10% to finish. So now it is 100%. So now let's see. So now as you can see, it says tracking motion completed. So now here it is blue. So now if I play the video, let's see how it works. So as you can see now the face of this person is blurred. No one can be able to see the face of this person because I add the face, as you can see now, and I enable the tracking option. And that's it guys on how to add face blue in CapCut. If this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.